You just moved to a new place. Maybe it's a different city, a different country, or even just a new neighborhood. At first, the excitement is there, the fresh start, the new possibilities. But then it hits you. The loneliness. Why does moving somewhere new so often make people feel this way? It happens because your support system is no longer close. The friends, family, or coworkers you used to rely on aren't right there with you anymore. Everyday routines, like chatting with a familiar barista or bumping into a neighbor, are gone. Even simple things like buying groceries or figuring out public transport can feel like reminders that you're an outsider. If you've moved abroad, cultural and language differences can make the loneliness sharper. It's like there's an invisible barrier between you and the people around you. Even when surrounded by others, you can still feel completely alone. But here's the important part. This feeling doesn't have to last forever. There are ways to cope and slowly create belonging in your new environment. First, start building small routines. Little rituals, like a daily walk in the same area or sitting in the same cafe, help anchor you and turn unfamiliar spaces into familiar ones. Second, seek out communities. Join local clubs, take a class, or volunteer. Shared activities are one of the fastest ways to make genuine connections. Third, stay connected with your roots. Regular calls or messages with friends and family back home remind you that you're not alone in this journey. And fourth, be patient with yourself. Adjusting takes time. Every day, you're laying the foundation for new friendships and a sense of belonging. Loneliness after moving isn't a sign that you don't belong. It's just part of the process of building belonging in a new place. And if you want some extra support, we've put together a free toolkit with exercises and resources to help you through moments of loneliness. You can find it on our Ko-fi page or through the links provided. No one should feel alone. Find your spark. Find your people.